Okay, so listen. First of all, fatty, this bike was not made for someone your size. Like, honestly, dude, you should not have a bike like this. It's too small for you. Or lose some weight, dude. Seriously. That's ridiculous. Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I am Dr. Goat. Clearly, I'm joking. As you can see by the title, I'm a bigger boy than this guy, so everybody that wants to call him fat, coming for me too. Whatever. Dude, I want to put this out there before I do this. I don't care what people think about me being my size on this bike. I bought the bike, so if you didn't pay for it for me and you're not me anyways, who cares? People just love to judge people, you know how it is. That's the world we live in. So honestly, to this dude, if you do see it, hey, who cares? But anyways, that being said, at least according to the speedometer on here, I can definitely hit 45. I've hit in 47, I've hit in 48, 49 as well with the bike. So I'm going to be doing a little time test on this. Probably do one on gravel, one on pavement. See how they compare. And I also have an app on my phone that I'm going to see how fast we actually get going. So with that being said, let's hop into it. Here we go. I'm going to head out and find a spot. We are at 100% battery right now. See, right there, maximum speed, 47 on this last little trip that I've done. But I'm going to try to find a couple good spots with some good flat ground to do this at. Just because I know my other little test I did before I cut the wire, I was going uphill doing that, and I'd like to keep it flat so you can get a better idea. So I think I already know where I want to head. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. I'll stop the time right there. It did take her a second to get that last mile an hour, but ready? 3, 2, 1. I didn't know if we'd get that last little bit. Doesn't look like it. Unless we're be going downhill. Now. Woo. Oh. Okay, let's see, since I just found out I can record a trip, let's see if it actually gets it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. that last mile an hour. Okay. So bike says we went 45. Let's see if this actually did this time. Ew. Okay. Bro, I can't believe the bike's that far off. This app, if this app is actually correct, it's saying we went 40.2. That sucks. Let's try it again with this this slight downhill there. I want to see what it says there, and then we'll hop on the street and go. Okay, so the bike said we hit 47. Let's see if this thing actually is 5 mile an hour off. I want to see if it's saying 42 now. 41.5. We gained not quite 1.5 mile an hour. But that being said, I want to hop on the pavement now and see. If that's correct, which it very well could be. All this time I've been like, man, I'm doing 47, 48, 49. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Over here super quick. Let's see. 40.4. So that's consistent. Okay, so we're back from that little test. What did we get out of that? We got how quickly I can get up to speed with my fat gut. We also got to know that I don't know how correct this free speedometer app is, but it was fairly consistently saying it was about 5 mile an hour off. So when I think I'm doing 45 on here, I'm actually doing about 40, supposedly. Once again, I don't care about any of the negative things people have to say about me having this bike or other bigger guys. You know, it's your money, it's your life. Do whatever you want with it. Obviously, if you guys have been looking into these bikes, you know that you can upgrade and get a bigger battery. You can get a stronger motor. It can be upgraded. It's just, people like to judge. That's all it is. So anyways, if this helped you guys out at all, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Drop a comment down below. Any suggestions you may have for me or anything you'd want to see. And as always, please subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.